Hi, my name is Melissa Jadlos, and I want to welcome you to the new location for Lavery Library, Lavery under the Steeple. Follow me. Down this hallway, we have CCAP, which is academic advising and career planning. Right here, we have the quiet study space. So this room is going to be set up for our quiet study space, which we know is really important to students. Complete quiet while you study until 10 o'clock every night. Further down the hallway, we have career services on the left, and we're coming into Lavery under the Steeple. You may remember this space as the former computer lab, and we still have OIT service here that can help you with your tech problems while you're here in Lavery under the Steeple. We have lots of places for group study. We have the great booths that students like so well from Lavery, and we have a subset of our regular collection. And if you need a book that's not here, then all you have to do is request for pickup, and we'll get it for you by the next day. The library will be open 24/7. After the checkout desk closes, the space will remain open and you can stay here and study. We have a lot of things available that we had over in the old Lavery building. You can check out chargers and laptops, markers, erasers. We have whiteboards that you can use. All of your regular services and features will be here at Lavery under the Steeple. You can pick up your materials that your professor has asked you to study for course reserve, and you can also pick up your interlibrary loan materials here as well. We really hope to see you soon at Lavery under the Steeple.